Guys, nandito ako sa MTR. I just checked, so close ang MTR. You see? No, I need to check. I need to... Okay. Ayan guys. Sa lahat ng pula, may X. Sarado. So, ang meron lang... Meron pa rin blue lines. Green lines, pero choking lane, walang sarado. So ayan ha. Ayan, from choking lane going to Choi Hong, sarado po yan. So po lang to HKU bukas na to. Yung red central to Liking bukas hanggang Choi Hong to Whampoa bukas yan. So yun lang, yung mga excess na yan, wala yan. So yan, inform ko kayo guys.